टेबल किंबा डाटाबेस को तुम केमती मॉडिफाई करियो केमती करियो दैट इज बाय यूजिंग अल्टर ओके बाय यूजिंग अल्टर you have to write procedure okay and you keep it here procedure name okay so this is the way you have to change means you have to modify means you have to change understand is it clear first one amar to modify next one is to view stored procedure in current database how you will view the stored procedure in current database to view stored procedure in current database to view stored procedure in current database okay so how we write the syntax first you have to write select star from okay select star from anything you have to write suppose I write here system objects okay system objects है तो मुझे जिनस जिते बड़े आम कौन सी प्रकार जिनिस इंसर्ट करती कि स्टोर करती कि ताकू रिट्रीव करती वी हैव टू राइट द सिलेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इट गिव्स यू द validation to pick the first या second any instruction from your database okay that is select option your choose option you have to choose or you have to select where x type is equal to your p within the single quotation mark okay so let us see how it implement in a stored procedure program first we have to write select okay star from system objects okay next latter half you have to write where x type is equal to p where x type is equal to p okay so next instruction is our to execute stored procedure how you will execute the stored procedure or how you will run the stored procedure okay how you execute first you have to write the execute statement that is exec okay exec then you have to write the procedure name okay then you pass the value which is your argument s in this way you have to execute a stored procedure so next we have to see to view statements in a stored procedure okay stored procedure how you will see okay the statements in a stored procedure so for that you have to write sp okay help text your procedure name okay so to see some statements in a database or in a stored procedure program you have to write sp help text or your procedure name okay then suppose you want to drop some data from the stored procedure how you write the syntax to drop for that you need to write drop procedure name. Drop procedure within the angular braces, that is your procedure name. Okay, so these are the basic syntax you have to implement in a database program or in a PL/SQL program. So how we execute in a stored procedure, or how we see a statement in a stored procedure, and how we drop, okay, how we drop and how we alter or modify. And first one is a select, how you choose the execution data, or how you pick the execute data from the stored procedure or a PL/SQL program. Okay, so all these things you need to remember. For that you have to practice all these things by using the PL/SQL program. Okay, so next thing, let us discuss parameters. Before we go to the parameters, all of you almost learned about parameter. We used to almost in database also, and also in HTML program. So what is parameters and what are the types of parameters are there, okay, in stored procedure? Let us discuss types of parameters or arguments. Okay, types of parameters and arguments. First parameters is your input parameters. That is, first you have to take, that is input. It is used to send values to the procedure. What is the function of input? Send values to the procedure. Whatever the stored procedure program is there, okay, the input parameter will send the values to this procedure program, or for the current procedure program. Okay, next one is your output parameter. Okay, so it is used to get values or result from stored procedure. Okay, why output parameter is used to get values from procedure program and find out the result. Okay, and the result from stored procedure. Okay, first input parameter आम कौन थिला, से किसी गोटे वैल्यू आम सेंड करवा कौटी की stored procedure को. Okay, next आमर output parameter कौन थिला, suppose we want to access some programs in a database project. Okay, first thing what we did, first we have to do to get values from the procedure. Okay, get value from the procedure or get values. Okay, then we utilize that value, and at last whatever the result it will store, it is stored in stored procedure. And your third one is your optional. Okay, while execute जते बेले तुम किसी any database execute करियो without any, okay, without any input and output parameter, that is your optional. You don't need all these things. Okay, if it is compulsory, then you can take input and output parameter. Okay, so what happen in optional parameter? Without giving any argument or values, it will execute. Okay, आमे कौन सी प्रकार आर्गुमेंट दबानी without giving any argument, okay, and or any value. Okay, कौन सी प्रकार आमे आर्गुमेंट पास करिवानी कि कौन सी प्रकार आमे वैल्यू पास करिवानी, तथापि ऑप्शनल पैरामीटर विल एग्जीक्यूट इन ए स्टोर्ड प्रोसीजर. बुझे ना? सो लेट अस डिस्कस the programming part now. First we have to create a procedure to print sum of two values. Okay. Create a procedure to print sum of two values. Okay.